Hey guys, how you doing today? So today I've got the Otofix D1 connected to our 2019 BMW X3, and I thought I'd just go through, show you the advanced features of this scan tool on this particular car. Basically the special functions. If you're not familiar with the Otofix D1, it's a very slim and modern looking scan tool by Otofix. Otofix is manufactured by Autel. Okay, so you can see that I've got the car pulled up here. We're going to hit yes to that. All right, so this is your main screen. You've got your typical diagnose where you're going to click that. If you do auto scan, it's going to scan all the modules. Then you'll be able to select from the individual modules and get into them and check your live data, check all your data PIDs and what have you. Control unit, you can individually select what control unit. If you know you need to go into the DME, you don't need to do an auto scan. You can go to control unit and then you can just individually select the DME. So let's go back. Hot functions. Hot functions is the main functions you may need to get into for like most of your maintenance, like changing your rear brakes. If you change out your throttle body or you want to clean your throttle body and you want to do a throttle body reset, your electronic parking brake, right there where the P is, that's going to reset your rear caliper so that you can put brake pads on. Battery management system, brake bleed, all your typical special functions that you would typically use to perform maintenance. Service is kind of a similar deal. You've got it broke down into different sections of the car. For instance, body, powertrain, chassis, and suspension. We'll go ahead and click body to start with. This is your bi-directional controls where you can go in to say the heating and air conditioning and to do different things in the heating and air conditioning. Seats, we'll click seats, standardization, driver seat and passenger seat. I'll scroll through the next page. Short circuit reset, voltage supply. I'll just go ahead and click lighting just to kind of give you an idea. There's usually multiple sub-menus within each one of those options. Safety functions. That one's just got the one. Central gateway module. Heating and air conditioning. So you're going to have, typical, different ones are going to have different things underneath them. Powertrain, kind of a similar deal, but it's going to be for your powertrain. Not sure what expert mode is. Let's take a look here. Okay, it looks like that's all there is for expert mode. Of course, you got transmission control unit, engine start, engine electronics, permanent safe fault codes, chassis and suspension, driver assistance, and then you got your pre-delivery and your vehicle information. One of the most powerful features of this scan tool on this particular car is the advanced functions. Now, it'll take a while to scroll through all these, but I plan on scrolling through the entire list just to give you an idea, if you have a BMW, what this scan tool should be able to do on BMWs as far as customization options. All right, so this is all the customizable features of this car. So I'm just going to scroll through the list. There's quite a few of them, so it's going to take a little while. It will tell you whether or not you got a fault in any of the different modules, and in some cases it won't let you change an option unless the fault is cleared. But I'm just going to scroll through, let you read everything that it's got, and like I say, it will take a little while to get through all this, so you may need to just pause the screen. I know I'm kind of going a little bit fast, but I do need to get through this whole list. I don't want to bore you guys too much. This is going to be, specific to the BMW guys. or people that work on BMWs that, you know, may need to get in here and change some of these settings. So these BMWs are very highly customizable. That's one nice thing about them, is they let you do a lot of customizing. You know, for each individual that drives one, you can customize all kinds of stuff to your liking. You're not, you know, you're not forced to put up with one thing or another if you don't like it. You know, a lot of times you'll be able to change it. A little over halfway through. And then after we get through with this list, we'll be done. I'll do another video going into the modules, selecting some PIDs, looking at the graphing. I've already done a quick walkthrough on this tool whenever I first got it. I'll put that link up in the upper right corner of the screen, and you can take a look at that if you just want to see, you know, the basics of this tool. Almost to the end. And we got it. So that's pretty much it. So if you wanted to change one of these things, you would just, you know, select it. I'll go through one. And then you just go through it'd walk you through whatever the option is. Pretty straightforward on most of these items. So you know, if you're into, so you know, if you do own a BMW and you want to have the ability to easily change all your different features, take a look at the Otofix D1. It does quite a bit. Anyway, just so this video doesn't get any longer, we're done. And we'll see you in the next one. You guys take care.